Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Outlook, open the app and go straight to the View ribbon. Once you're there, focus on the reading pane and message preview options. These let you see larger text immediately. Click View, then try Message Preview or Reading Pane to expose size options. If you want global changes, open an actual message and use Zoom. That affects only the current message, but shows you the result. This first step gives instant feedback, so you know the target size before changing defaults. Now modify Outlook's default font so your text is consistently bigger. You'll go to File, choose Options, then Mail and Stationery and Fonts. Once inside, change New Mail, Reply /Forward and Plain Text font settings. Each controls different message types. Pick a larger size and a legible font, then click OK and save. Doing this ensures new and replied messages use the size you prefer. Make sure to test by composing a new message. If it looks right, you're done with defaults. Finish by setting the reading pane zoom for on-screen reading. Open a message and use Zoom to pick a percentage like 125%, which won't alter sent mail but improves legibility. If changes don't apply across Outlook, verify Windows Display scaling and install pending updates. These can interfere with font rendering. Restart Outlook after saving settings. If text still looks wrong, use View Reset View or reapply stationary fonts. That resolves most stubborn cases and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.